These winds could make travel difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Thunderstorms. A few thunderstorms may form across parts of central and eastern Oklahoma after 6 p.m. this evening. No strong or severe thunderstorms are expected. Days 2 through 7, Thursday through Tuesday. Fire weather. Elevated to near critical fire weather conditions will continue to be a concern through Friday, especially over western Oklahoma and western North Texas. Fire weather conditions will increase again early next week across western Oklahoma and western North Texas. Thunderstorms. An approaching storm system will bring the chance of thunderstorms back to Oklahoma and western North Texas Saturday night through next Tuesday. Some strong storms will be possible. Strong winds. Periods of strong wind will occur through... Just heard a test of the National Weather Service radio warning alarm feature. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at a greater distance from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. During severe weather, the warning alarm will be activated for severe thunderstorm and tornado watches, and for severe thunderstorm, tornado, and flash flood warnings. The warning alarm will also be used for civil emergency messages. A test of the warning alarm feature of National Weather Service Radio is conducted at 12 noon and 7 p.m. each Wednesday, unless there is a significant risk of severe